Your meetings live in Google Calendar. Your tasks live in Notion. So your whole day is split across two apps that don't talk to each other. Here's the setup that fixes that for good. Calendar events and Notion tasks side by side on one page you actually open every morning, free template at the end. Let's build it. New page, command center with a target icon. Description, your whole day in one place, nothing falls through the cracks. This is the page you'll open first thing every morning instead of jumping between three different apps. First, the calendar. In Google Calendar settings, I grab the public link to my calendar. Then back in Notion, I type /embed, paste that link and hit embed. Give it a second, and there it is. My real Google Calendar live inside Notion. Every event I have this week shows up right here. And whenever I add something in Google Calendar, it appears here automatically. One less app to open. But a calendar embed alone isn't a system. The magic is connecting it to your tasks. Let's build the task side now. Below the calendar, a tasks database. This is where everything you need to do lives, not in your head, not on sticky notes, here. Two properties to start. Due date, a date property. This is the day you plan to actually work on the task, not when it's due, when you'll do it. That distinction changes everything. In priority as a select, high, medium, low, the due date is what will connect your tasks to your calendar in a minute. And a status with three options: to do, in progress, done. And one more, time block. A simple text field where I write when in the day I'll do it, like 9 to 10 a.m. This is how a task becomes an appointment with yourself instead of a wish. First task, finish client proposal, due date, today, priority high, status in progress, and time block, 9 to 10:30 a.m. Now this isn't a vague to-do floating in space. It has a day and a time. It's real. Second task, reply to supplier emails. Today, medium priority, to do, blocked for 11 to 11:30. Small task, but it still gets a slot. If it doesn't have a time, it doesn't get done. That's not a productivity theory. That's just my life. Third, record video script, tomorrow high priority, blocked for 2 to 4 p.m. And fourth, weekly review this Friday, low priority, 5 to 5:30. Notice I'm spreading tasks across different days. Not everything is today. That's the point. You plan the week, not just the panic of the moment. Now the connection. I add a second view to my tasks, a calendar view, and I tell it to use the due date. Watch what happens. Every task I just created now shows up on a calendar on the exact day I plan to do it. My proposal today, my video script tomorrow, my review Friday. My tasks are now a calendar too. So now I have two calendars living together, Google Calendar up top for my meetings and appointments, the things other people put on my time, and my task calendar down here for the work I choose to do. Meetings and work finally in the same place. One filter to keep it clean. Status is not done. So the moment I finish a task and mark it done, it disappears from the calendar. No clutter, no crossing things out, only what still needs doing stays visible. Last piece, and this is the one you'll use every single day, a view called Today. One filter, due date is today, sorted by priority, so the high priority stuff sits on top. Now I place this view right under my Google Calendar embed. Look at the page now. My meetings from Google Calendar at the top. My tasks for today right below. One screen. That's the whole day in a single look. This is the setup that actually works because it doesn't ask you to abandon Google Calendar or force everything into Notion. Your meetings stay where they belong. Your tasks get a home, and every morning you open one page and see your entire day. Meetings, tasks, priorities, time blocks, done. That's your command center, live Google Calendar for your meetings, a task database with due dates and time blocks, a task calendar so your work has a day, and a today view that puts your meetings and your tasks on one screen. You stop switching apps, you stop forgetting things, you just open one page and you know exactly what your day looks like. Free template in the description so you can start with this exact setup. If planning your day is the problem, my anti-procrastination planner is linked below too. What's the one app you wish talked to? Notion? Tell me in the comments. Check out my other systems right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.